Oh my god! Oh my god! Holy!
Oh my god.
It blew the whole side out.
Just think if that hit flesh.
Oh my god!
You hit center mass on that, pretty much.
That's
blow somebody in half.
Yeah, that's a game killer.
Where's the hit point? It must have been a side shot. Or did it hit?
What there?
Oh, something. I think it went out here. Cause look at it.
Oh my god. So that's the damage the 44 Magnum did with a spear round. I'm not quite sure where it entered and exited at, but it sure did a lot of damage with the water in there. I can only assume that it went in right about here and traversed straight through.
It's like a 9-inch.
Yeah, so this is the travel of the round, and the water exploded the side of the bucket out. That's about all I can figure there. Very nice.